Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60, and today I'm going to try and attempt to pick a lock number 17 from Mr. Daz Evers. And this is the lock. It's a Yale style keyway, and I believe from what I was told, the brand is a green L. So if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. And it works smoothly. So let's stick it in the vise and bring it up to me a little closer. Sorry about that. So once again, it's locked. All right, I want to use the Spp'd Attila. Daz Evers, I want to thank you so much for your package. These awesome picks. These great locks that actually, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be picking any of these locks from over the pond, from your side of the country, your side of the world. Which I'm very excited, man, about these locks. So I want to thank you. With that being said, let's see if I can pick it. Let's get a little closer. There we go. Okay, that was 1, 2. Well, for some reason, the camera angle is not quite right. Like, all you see is SpongeBob SquarePants Band-Aid, not the lock. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Okay. Oh, this is a 6-pinner. Forgot to mention. I feel a little intimidated by the fact that, it's blocked from that I don't get to pick at all. That from a different country, if that makes sense. So let me pay attention here what I'm doing. Okay, that was 1, 2, 3. All right, I hit 4. Give me a little false set. Yep, it did. I'm going to try the one of the SS Devs. It was 6. I missed. Not used to 6 pinners. Okay. So now I'm going back to the Attila. And there we go. It opened up on 3. Here I was picking 5 pins on a 6-pin lock. Yeah, knucklehead, huh? Alright, so let's get this baby off of here. Set it right there so you can see it. Actually, I'm just going to slide that out of the way. Go like this. This is a homemade pinning tray, crudely made for a dear friend of mine that wants to learn the art of opening a lock without a key. And I don't think it's too shabby. It's nothing like what my brother Steel Pinnings did for me, but still not too shabby. Let's get like that. Okay. All right. So we got this bad boy. My first Daz Evers lock, man. Awesome. And thrilled and ecstatic and everything else, man. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm going to shim everything. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. Hopefully I'm in frame. Okay. And as you can see, everything had to be picked. And it looks like 1 and 3 are undercut. 2, 4, 5, and 6 are threaded. Let me get the key. But you can't always tell until you remove the pins. Look at that. Wow. Nice Daz Evers. This was a real fun lock to pick. Get my tweezers. Let me get the bottom ones out. And I'll try to tell you what they are. Well, that one's easy. Yeah, this was a fun lock. Wonderful feedback, as I love locks that give a lot of feedback. Okay, let's check the core one more time. And yes. Yep. 1 and 3 undercut. And 2, 4, 5, and 6 threaded. Okay. So what we have here in key pin 1 looks like it's tapered, but also oh, how would you say that? Not quite a T-pin, but very narrow at the top. Right here we have a serrated. This one I would call almost like a mushroom on 3. Then 4, 5, and 6 are standard. So, all right, let's go to the top where the magic is. Wrong way there, knucklehead. Okay. Oops. Let's back up a little bit. Okay. Okay. The Bible in position 1 is a spool with a sharp top and a copper spring. Oh crap, what we got here? Oh, wait a minute. Is there another spring in there? He had 2 springs in there. You little devil, you. And this is a pin and pin. I have to get back to that one. Wow. And a serrated spool with a long steel spring. Let's go to the rear. And let's keep this right. Yeah, this is like deep undercover. And number 6 is a multiple serrated. Brass spring. Yep. I almost got myself confused, like, which one is that one? Okay. And that one, like this. Okay, that one goes here. I had a little mishap here. Okay, that goes there. Actually, if I can get it off of here. That goes there. And that's there. And nothing's been done to the Bible. So let's start at the top again. This is a come on, focus there. Oh, come on. All right. Position number 1 in the Bible is a spool with a brass or a copper spring. This is a pin and pin, but it is not your typical pin and pin. This pin and pin, I am going to call it a pin and pin top hat, because this little disc, I'm going to lose it, I'll have to set this down. Where are you there? Oh, come on, man. Oh, I spent too much time trying to get this in focus. All right. This little disc has a little hole drilled in it, but it's not all the way through. And I call it a top hat because I believe it goes this way. But anyway, it would sit on top. Maybe this way. The Daz Evers, if you can tell me which way it went, but it just sits on top like that. Oop, I'm sorry. Like on top like that. I know my camera's not focusing right now, but I'd never seen anything like that one before. Okay, and number 3. Number 2. Pin and pin, like I said, and it had 2 springs, a copper and a brass. Position 3 in the Bible is a spool, serrated spool with a long steel spring. And position 4 in the Bible is a pin and pin, and the collar has serrated with a brass or with a copper spring. And in number 4 or number 5, it looks like a barrel serrated with a long steel spring. And number 6 is multiple serrated with a brass spring. So that's what we have in this lock from Mr. Daz Evers. My man, thank you so much for this lock. It was a joy to pick it. If these top pins are in the wrong order, especially I believe 5 and 6, let me know before I put it together. I won't put it together until you let me know. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Please be safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.